Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
MILLI.
What does the dictionary say?
A combining form meaning thousand. In the metric system, used in the names of units equal to 1,000th of the given base unit.
Math rap.
I've told you 1,000 times not to be silly. 1,000th is another word for the prefix milli, found in units of measurement for different plans, sometimes in meters, liters, or sometimes in grams.
Math rap.
Say this 5 times fast. Millie from Philly found Millie 1,000 times silly. Explain milli in your own words. List as many units of measurement that you can that start with milli. Can you think of a few words that have milli in front of them? What are they? What do those words mean? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your Math Minutes rock!